In today's video, we're breaking down how to use Semrush's AI tools to find keywords and write SEO content so much faster. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley, and if SEO has ever felt confusing, slow, or way more complicated than it needs to be, this video is going to simplify the entire process. By the end of this video, you'll understand what Semrush's AI features actually do, how they help with keyword research and content creation, and how to use them in a realistic, beginner-friendly way. This is important because SEO isn't about gaming the system anymore. It's about clarity, intent, and creating content people actually want to read. And AI can help get you there way faster if you use it correctly. So let's get into it. Okay, so let's start off with the basics and talk about what Semrush actually is. So Semrush is an all-in-one SEO and marketing platform that helps you to understand what people are searching for online and how content performs in search engines. It's used for keyword research, content planning, competitive analysis, and even performance tracking. In recent years, Semrush has added AI-powered tools that help speed up two of the most time-consuming parts of SEO, finding the right keywords and turning those keywords into content ideas and drafts. Instead of manually digging through data and staring at a blank document, Semrush's AI tools help you to move from idea to outline to written content so much faster, all while keeping SEO best practices in mind. The key thing to understand is that Semrush AI doesn't replace strategy or thinking. It ultimately supports the process so you're not stuck doing everything manually. I want to touch on some of the key features before we dive into the walkthrough. So first off is the AI-powered keyword discovery. So one of the core uses of Semrush is keyword research, and the AI features help make this process so much more intuitive and faster. Instead of just showing you lists of keywords, Semrush helps you to understand search intent, related questions, and content opportunities. The AI assists by organizing keywords into themes so you're not just guessing what belongs together. This just helps you choose keywords that make sense for real content, not just numbers on a screen. Search intent and topic clustering. So Semrush's AI helps to group keywords based on intent. That means it looks at whether people are searching to learn, compare, or buy. This is important because SEO content performs better when it matches what the searcher actually wants. Writing a sales page for an informational keyword usually doesn't work, and vice versa. Topic clustering also helps you plan content in a more strategic way instead of just publishing random blog posts that don't actually connect or make sense. AI-assisted content outline. So one of the most helpful AI features is content outlining. So Semrush can suggest headings, subtopics, and structure based on what's already ranking. This removes a lot of guesswork around what to include in an article. You're not copying content, but you're learning what topics matter for that keyword. Outlines help you write faster and stay focused. Next is AI writing support. So Semrush AI can assist with drafting sections of content, refining wording, and improving clarity. This is especially helpful if your writing feels slow or intimidating. The AI gives you a starting point that you can edit and personalize. The goal isn't to publish raw AI text, it's to reduce friction so you can focus on quality and voice. SEO optimization feedback is next. So Semrush provides feedback on keyword usage, readability, and then overall optimization. This helps to ensure your content is aligned with SEO best practices without turning it into a keyword stuffed mess. You still control the final output, but you're not guessing whether you missed something important. Now, how Semrush AI fits into modern SEO. SEO is less about tricks and more about usefulness. Search engines prioritize content that answer questions clearly and thoroughly. Semrush AI helps you understand what questions people are asking and how to structure content that actually addresses them. When used correctly, it supports better content instead of replacing human creativity. Okay, now let's go ahead and get into the walkthrough. If you want to follow along, we do have a link down below where you can get a free trial of Semrush. So again, you can follow along with me. Once you click that link, you'll click try for free and go ahead and follow the prompts to create an account. Now, once you are in, we've got our homepage right here. We've got SEO, we've got AI, which we will be using. We've got market and traffic, local, content, social, advertising, PR, and so much more. Okay, so step number one, we're going to start with a topic idea. Okay, so we're going to enter that idea into Semrush's keyword tools. So we'll go ahead and search the keywords. Step number two is to choose keywords based on intent. So we want to look at the search intent categories provided by Semrush. You want to choose keywords that match the type of content you want to create. Avoid forcing one keyword to do everything. Okay, so as you can see, the intent is right here. So this is all informational. We can go ahead and send keyword, go ahead and create our list. Okay, maybe we want to also send this. You can send keywords into our list. list. If we want to check out that list, we can go ahead and navigate over here. It gives you so much information. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and go to content. So AI article generator. Now we'll go ahead and use the how to lose weight. Go ahead and generate the article. Now it kind of gives us an overview. So here are the suggested parameters, location, effective strategies for sustainable weight loss, keywords, lose weight fast, weight loss tips, etc. Branded voice. If you want the SEO booster, you can do that too. So maybe we'll turn that on and click generate article. So we'll always want to review the SEO recommendations, want to check for optimization feedback, and make small adjustments to improve clarity and structure. You definitely want to avoid over optimizing though. And then after that, you'll just publish and iterate. Publish your content over time, review performance, and update content as needed. That is the basic setup. So research, write, refine, and then publish. So as you can see, it wrote the whole article for us, the whole piece of content. We have a 91% ranking score. It has the title tag, how to lose weight, sustainable tips and strategies, discover effective strategies. We've got the meta description, and then it wrote everything right here. It even added pictures for you, titles, headlines, everything in between. Okay. So again, of course, you want to come in here and update everything. Okay. You want to read through it. You want to make sure that everything matches your brand voice, correct anything that doesn't sound like you. This is a starting point. It's not the end. So as soon as you are ready to share it, if you have a WordPress, you can go ahead and connect it to there. If you want to send it to Google Docs, you can do that too. Okay. So it makes it really, really easy to do. You can even repurpose it as well. And you just select a platform. Maybe we want to send that into an email. We can click repurpose and it will go ahead and adjust that for you. So it's really helpful for repurposing content as well. And that was so quick. It's got everything here and it even has an attachment to the article as well. Now, I want to touch on some common mistakes that people make with AI SEO tools. One common mistake is publishing AI generated content without editing. This usually leads to bland or repetitive articles. Another mistake is chasing high volume keywords without considering intent. Traffic without relevance doesn't convert. Some people also try to do everything at once instead of focusing on one solid piece of content. Semrush works best when used as a guide, not on autopilot. Let's talk about some pros and cons so you can decide if it's a good fit for you. One of the biggest advantages of Semrush AI tool is speed. It significantly reduces the time it takes to research and outline content. Another benefit is clarity. Seeing keywords grouped together by intent and topic is going to help you make better decisions. Now, on the downside, AI suggestions can feel generic if you don't personalize them. Human editing is still required. Another consideration is learning curve. So Semrush has many features, so it takes time to understand where everything lives, but for most users, the efficiency gains outweigh these drawbacks. Okay, let's talk about the different plans and pricing options. So you can pay monthly if you would like, but I'm going to go over the annual amounts because that's how you can save up to 17%. So they've got the starter, the pro plus, and the advanced plan. The starter plan is $165.17 per month, billed annually. With this, you get traditional SEO and AI search, which includes AI visibility toolkit, up to 5 websites to monitor 50 prompts and 500 keywords, Google and AI visibility tracking, keyword research, and so much more. Then they have the Pro Plus plan, which is for growing brands looking to scale SEO and AI search impact. So this is $248.17 per month, billed annually. You get everything in the starter, but you also get historical SEO data, up to 15 websites to monitor, content optimization, and so much more. And lastly, they've got the advanced plan, which is for those who need maximum power, including API access, insights, and automation. So this is $455.67 monthly, billed annually. You get everything in the pro plan, but you also get share a voice, up to 40 websites, 200 prompts, and 5,000 keywords, API data integration, and so much more. So pick the plan that you can see yourself investing in and then try that for free. Unfortunately, the advanced plan, they don't have a free trial, but the starter or pro, you can go ahead and check out. If you want to create SEO content faster without sacrificing structure, Semrush AI tools are definitely worth exploring. They're a great fit for bloggers, business owners, and creators who want to understand search intent instead of guessing. If you prefer fully manual SEO workflows or only publish occasionally, you may not need all of these features. This tool really shines when content creation is consistent. I know SEO can feel overwhelming, especially when it seems like everyone has a different opinion on what actually works. But tools like Semrush AI help bring structure and clarity to the process, so you're not guessing every step of the way. If you want to check out Semrush for free, don't forget to use our exclusive link down below. I do want to mention that these are affiliate links, which means we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do choose to use our link, we just want to thank you so much in advance for supporting our channel. It really helps us to continue to create free content and tutorials just like this. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. This channel is dedicated to helping you use AI tools in a simple, practical way to work faster and build smarter. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.